They essentially said that the pursuit of true justice is more important than even the court's own finality.
Today, let's talk about a case that's less like a dry legal proceeding and more like a high-stakes thriller. This is a story where the Supreme Court of India literally put itself on trial, faced its own major mistake, and, in doing so, actually strengthened the very idea of justice. Welcome to our explainer on the landmark case, A.R. Tulay versus S. Nayak.
Here's how we're going to break it all down. First, we'll look at the idea of a court correcting itself. Then, we'll get into the nitty-gritty of the huge error at the heart of this case. After that, we'll examine the legal principles that were basically put on trial. Then comes the climax, the landmark 1988 verdict. And finally, we'll explore why this case is still so incredibly important today.
All right, let's dive right in. The whole story here, the entire legal drama, it all boils down to one single, massive question that really gets to the heart of judicial power itself.
I mean, really think about that for a second. We're taught to see the Supreme Court as the final word, right? The ultimate authority. But is it perfect? Is it infallible? Can its decisions ever be challenged, especially by itself?
And that yes was huge. It wasn't just a quiet admission. It was a powerful, clear statement from a 7-judge constitutional bench. They essentially said that the pursuit of true justice is more important than even the court's own finality. This case established that the court doesn't just have the power, but it has a solemn duty to fix its own mistakes.